For the purposes of this sprint review, we wanted to demonstrate the Notify Supervisor user story. We'll start off by showing that the survey should only be sent when the case is in an approved status, as you'll see in the criteria in this process flow. So here you see case status equals approved. From there, we see that we send a survey invitation as our next immediate action. We send the survey that we have created for this process. The content that's sent is the survey link. We make sure that we use a template that we'll go over in a second that has the survey link within it in a button form. We see that the recipient type is a contact and it goes to the supervisor ID that is identified on each case. We also see that unique link checkbox is marked, and we also don't require authentication so that people don't have to log in order to be able to complete this survey. From there, we wanted to show that when the case is approved, it sends a survey invitation. And it sends it to the supervisor contact that is associated with the case. So it looks at this email right here and sends that invitation via an email, which you will see in a second. Here is the template that we use in our process. You can see the link that takes the user to our survey. You can also see the purpose of the evaluation is mentioned in a concise way, so it's saying the survey is to evaluate the performance of the user or the student in this case. And then here's an example of one of the surveys that we had sent to us. And you can see down at the bottom, it has the URL that this button goes to, and you can see that it should be unique by the end of the string of the URL.